Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you how this little bitty bottle has transformed my hair. I'm a big fan of the Living Proof brand, and I gotta say their triple bond complex does not disappoint. This hair strengthener I love for so many reasons. This texture is incredible. I love that it's light. It does not look oily or feel greasy in my hair. I only need 1 to 2 pumps. I put it in my clean damp hair about once a week. That's all you need. It is a good hair mask. And while I am repairing the damage is already done, I'm also preventing future damage. So using a blow dryer or any other hot tools, you don't have to feel guilty. You can tell my hair already looks healthier. It does. You don't see all the split ends. It's just an overall great strengthener, and I don't feel guilty when I'm using my curling iron because this is scientifically proven to make your hair 8 times stronger. So I do love that I don't have to feel that guilt. It is bringing some life and some softness, smoothness, shine back to my hair. So when I do fix it, it just overall looks better. I had very dry, very broken hair, and you really just can't see all of that now. Overall, it's improved the texture and the look of my hair. So thanks to this one little bottle, my hair is able to withstand the heat again. I love the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, and that is my point of view.